Window cleaning doesn't have to be a chore anymore. In this video, I'm revealing the top 5 window cleaning robots that make spotless glass effortless. Whether you live in a high-rise or just want streak-free views without the hassle, these smart devices are built to handle the job. No ladders, no scrubbing. From intelligent navigation to ultrasonic spray systems, each robot brings something unique to the table. I'll break down the standout features so you can find the perfect match for your space. Product links are in the description below. Let's jump in. Number 5. Purikai N361, Ultra Thin, Ultra Smart. I started with the Purikai N361, a sleek and compact robot that's just 9.5 centimeters thick, making it perfect for tight spaces like bathroom corners or under furniture. Don't let the size fool you. This thing packs a punch. Its dual-disc twisting and wiping system mimics manual hand cleaning, giving me a streak-free finish every time. The Micron mist soaking system keeps the fiber cloth perfectly moistened, boosting cleaning performance without oversaturating the glass. Operating it is a breeze. I just hit the one-button remote control and let it do its thing. Thanks to its smart navigation, it detects window edges and obstacles, adjusting its path for full coverage. And if the power goes out? No worries. The built-in battery gives me 20 minutes of backup, and the fall prevention alert system kicks in instantly. For high-rise cleaning, I always use the included safety ropes. It's a smart, safe, and efficient solution for anyone who wants crystal-clear windows without lifting a finger. Number 4. Air WD-8, Precision Meets Power. Next up is the Air WD-8, a high-performance robot that delivers professional-level results at home. Its ultra-thin 62mm body and square shape help it reach deep into corners and along edges. Powered by a German brushless motor, it runs quietly and efficiently. What really impressed me is the SLAM 4.0 path planning system paired with laser sensors. It adjusts its route in just 0.3 seconds, covering every inch of glass. For tough stains, the dual ultrasonic spray nozzles atomize water in 3 directions, eliminating grime without scrubbing. I can choose from 4 cleaning modes: deep, Z, N, and fixed point. It even memorizes its route and returns to the starting point when done. Voice prompts alert me when the water tank needs refilling, and the 650 mAh backup battery keeps it attached for up to 40 minutes during outages. The 4-meter safety rope adds extra peace of mind. Number 3. Purikip RK30009, Mist, Muscle, and Multi-Surface. The Purikip RK30009 is all about smart automation and multi-surface cleaning. With its 95mm ultra-thin body, it slides into tight corners effortlessly. The 40mm water tank lets me clean up to 50 square meters on a single refill. Its ultrasonic atomization spray distributes a fine mist evenly, and the twin-disc twist wiping system with 14.5 centimeters pads mimics manual scrubbing for a spotless finish. I control everything with the remote, which is perfect for high or awkward windows. It's not just for home windows. I've used it on glass doors and car windows too. Safety features include anti-collision sensors and real-time edge detection, plus a built-in UPS system that keeps it attached for 20 minutes during power failures. Number 2. Chowie CL1, Suction and Speed. The Chowie CL1 is built for serious grime. Its double spiral cleaning head handles glass as thin as 3 mm and as large as 45 by 45 centimeters, cleaning 1 square meter in just 4 minutes. With 5,600 pascal suction power, it clings securely to windows, even in high-rise buildings. The AI version 2.0 system calculates the best cleaning route and stops automatically when done. A 4-meter safety lanyard prevents falls, and I can switch between 3 automatic modes or use manual control for precision. I start with the dry fiber mat to remove dust, then switch to the wet mat with a few sprays of cleaner for a sparkling finish. Number 1. Chowie CL2, Smart, Safe, and Versatile. Finally, the Chowie CL2, a robot designed for high and hard-to-reach surfaces. It's ideal for windows, frames, floors, and walls, and perfect for offices, hotels, and classrooms. I control it with a one-handed remote, and the 1.5 Power Cord Plus 4M extension gives me plenty of range. Its compact design reaches every corner, while the rubber non-slip track and gravity configuration system keep it secure on slippery surfaces. Powered by advanced AI, it detects frames and obstacles automatically. The double discs and double suction system mimic human hand movements at 70 revolutions per minute, delivering a streak-free, translucent finish every time. That wraps up our look at the top 5 window cleaning robots transforming home maintenance. Whether you're after speed, safety, or multi-surface versatility, these devices deliver powerful results with minimal effort. Say goodbye to streaks and risky climbs. Just press a button and let the robot do the work. If one of these caught your eye, check the links in the description for the latest deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if this helped you out. Thanks for watching, and here's to clearer views ahead.